Did you know one of the boldest heists in history happened in broad daylight with hundreds of witnesses watching? On November 7th, 2000, four men attempted to steal £350 million worth of diamonds from London's Millennium Dome. For 9 months, they planned every detail, visiting the exhibition as tourists while secretly mapping security routes. Their plan was audacious: ram a JCB digger through the dome's wall, throw ammonia bombs to scatter crowds, then escape by speedboat down the Thames. At 11 in the morning, with families watching, they smashed through the barriers and raced toward the diamond display. They had 60 seconds to grab the gems and vanish. But as they reached for the diamonds, armed police emerged from every hiding spot in the dome. The officers had been watching their every move for months, even replacing the real diamonds with fakes. What the thieves thought was the perfect crime became the perfect trap. Their elaborate 9-month plan crumbled in less than 2 minutes.